आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Question that was given to us is that is solve 1 plus e power z by that is x by y dx plus e power that is x by y 1 minus x by y dy is equals to 0. So we have to solve this, that is given equals to 0. We have to solve this differential equation. So first of all, differential equation that was given to us is that is 1 plus e power x by y, this is dx, plus e power x by y, that is 1 minus x by y, this is 1 minus x by y dy is equals to 0. Now let that is x by y is equals to v. If we take that is x by y equal to v, we can say that x is equals to that is vy, x is equals to vy. Now by that is derivating vy, so we know the formula for the derivative, that is if we have to derivate ab, this is equals to that is a as it is derivative of b, that is db, plus b as it is derivative of a, that is dA. Similarly, we can write here that is using this formula, that is this will become that is dx is equal that is v as it is dy plus y as it is that is dv. This is the method. Now if we put the value here in this equation, so the equation is that is 1 plus e power x by y, 1 plus e power x by y, and we have taken x by y as v, so 1 plus e power v, that is dx. So the value of dx that we have taken is that is v dy plus y dv, this is v dy plus y dv, and that is plus of e power x by y, plus e power x by y, and x by y is v, and 1 minus x by y, that is 1 minus v dy, 1 minus v dy, that is given equals to 0. Now if we multiply that is this term, that is 1 plus e power v multiply by y dv, this will become that is y dv multiplied by 1 plus e power v, and if we open this bracket we get again that is, if we open this, that is plus of that is v dy and plus e power v dy plus e power v dy, and if we open here we get plus of e power v dy, and last term is that is negative of e power v dy is equals to 0. So this e power v dy cancel with negative of e power v dy, and we can write it as this will be that is y dv multiplied by 1 plus e power v, and if we take that is both these term to this side, and if we take that is dy common, this was equals to minus dy common, so we get that is here v and plus e power v plus e power v. Now we can write this term as, if we take y to this side and this term to this side, we get that is 1 plus e power v divided by v plus e power v, that is dv, is equals to minus of that is 1 by that is minus of dy divided by y. We have taken this y to this side and v plus ev to this side. Now by integrating both sides, now by that is integrating both sides we get, so if we put the integration both sides we get this is that is integration of 1 plus e power v divided by v plus e power v dv is equals to the negative of integration of 1 by y dy. Now if we see this term, that is this left hand side term, if we take that is v plus e power v is equals to t, let this term equal to t. Now if we derivate it, so in the respect of that is in the respect of v, so the derivation of v in respect of v is that is 1 plus e power v is e power v, that is equals to dt by dv, and from here we get the value that is 1 plus e power v multiply by dv is equals to dt. Now here we put the value that 1 plus e power v dv is equals to dt. So here we get that is integration, this term. So this is, if we take 1 plus e power v dv is, that is dt, divided by v plus e power v, which is equals to t. So this will become dt by t is equals to negative of 1 by y dy. Now we know the formula, that is 1 by t dt is equals to, that is log t, that is log of t. So now using this formula, this will become, that is, this will be the log of t, that is log of t, and similarly this will become, that is 1 by y dy, this was also equals to minus of log y, plus that is some constant, that is log of c. Now we know that t is equals to v plus e power v, so we can write it as, that is log of v plus e power v is equals to minus of log y plus log c. Now we know that v is equals to, x by y. V is equals to x by y, but before that we can write it as, that is log of v plus e power v, and if we take this log y to this side, it will become plus of log y. Plus of log y is equals to log of c. Now we know another property of log, that is log a plus log of b is equals to log of ab, is equals to log of ab. Now using this property, we can write it as log of v plus e power v multiplied by, that is y only, because log a plus log is log a, that is log ab, and that is equals to log c. So from here, if we compare this log and log, and so its value, that is this log and log, cancels out. So we left with, that is v plus e power v multiplied by y is equals to c. Now we put the value of v, that is, so the value of v, that is x by y. So x by y plus e power x by y plus e power x by y multiplied by y, that is equals to c. So this is our final answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।